In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dictionary variables in Microsoft Power Automate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable initializing variables, setting up dictionary structures, and retrieving values using expressions within Power Automate. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to polish their automation skills, this guide will provide clear and concise steps to help you navigate these tasks effectively. Firstly, you'll start by adding an action in your Power Automate flow. Look for the option titled Variables and choose Initialize Variable. This action allows you to create and define a new variable, which you'll then configure into a dictionary type. When you configure your variable, it's essential to provide it with a descriptive name to help you easily identify it later in your flow. For example, you might name it something like config dictionary. This name is just a placeholder. Feel free to choose something that aligns with your specific use case or project. Next, you'll need to specify the type of the variable. In this instance, select Object. This is important because an object-type variable in Power Automate is capable of holding dictionary or JSON data, which comprises key-value pairs. Moving on to the value field, this is where you'll input your dictionary. Use the JSON format to define your keys and values. This means you'll set up keys as strings, and each key will have a corresponding value, which can also be a string, a number, or even another object or array. For instance, you might have a dictionary where the key represents sales email, and the value is an actual email address. Once your dictionary is set up, you'll need to access these values in your flow. To do this efficiently, Power Automate offers a tool called the Compose action. Here, you'll employ a specific expression, often referred to as the question mark operator, which is incredibly useful for extracting values from a dictionary. If you want to retrieve a simple value associated with a single key, such as sales email, you'll begin by adding another action titled Data Operation Compose. This action allows you to manipulate and work with data throughout your flow. Navigate to the Expression tab within the Compose action and input the required syntax. It should look something like this: Variables, config dictionary, sales email. This expression calls upon your config dictionary variable and pulls the value linked to the sales email key. It's a very straightforward yet powerful way to efficiently work with data in your automations. To wrap it up, creating and managing dictionary variables in Microsoft Power Automate is a vital skill that opens many possibilities for data management and process automation. By carefully following these steps, you can enhance your flow's capabilities and maximize your efficiency. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy automating.